Blink 182 named themselves after a number, never specified which 182 of anything they meant, and then a holiday arrived on the 182nd day of the year to resolve the ambiguity. Blink 182 Day is July 1st. The band formed in Poway, California in 1992. Mark Hoppus, Tom DeLonge, and Scott Raynor, later replaced by Travis Barker. They chose the name Blink for the band, found a band in Ireland already called Blink, and added 182 to avoid a legal dispute. What 182 refers to has been answered differently in interviews for 30 years. A film, a body count, a random number. The band insists the real answer is none of those. What is certain is that Enema of the State in 1999 sold over 15 million copies, defined a generation's adolescence, and arrived at exactly the moment that pop punk needed a commercial home. July 1st is the 182nd day of a non-leap year, which the internet decided was the correct day to celebrate, and it stuck. Today, listen to Damn It, start to finish, argue about whether Tom's return was worth it, and reconsider everything you thought about pop punk's cultural legacy. What was your first Blink song? Drop it.